Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakant Biradar. In today's topic, we will learn about Java versions and their features. Now, what is Java? Java is a high level programming language. It derives much of its syntax from C and C++, but it has fewer low level facilities than either of them. Also, Java is a platform because it has its own runtime environment, that is JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. JVM provides a platform which accepts the bytecode and execute on the machine. Java developed by James Gosling and his team under the company of Sun Microsystems in 1991. The first name of Java was Oak. In 2010, Oracle acquired the Sun Microsystem, so now Oracle have Java license. There are many versions have been released till now. The current stable version of Java is 18. The first version is came in 1991 and its name was or no, its name is Java Alpha Beta version. And then the second version is came and its name was JDK 1.0 in 23rd Jan 1996. After that, JDK 1.1 is came in 19 February 1997. After that, J2SE 1.2 is came in 1998. There are four versions of J2SE up to 1.4. J2SE 1.4 in 2002. After that, the name is also changed. The name changed to Java 5 or Java 1.5 or Java SE 5. After that, Java SE 6, Java SE 7, and then Java SE 8 is came in 18th March 2014. From Java SE8 or from Java 8 version or from Java 1.8 version, the Oracle Corporation follows a pattern in which every even version is come in March and odd version releases in September month. Like Java 8 version is came in March 2014, Java 9th version is came in September 2013, and Java 10 version is came in March 2018, and so on. Now Java 18, Java 16 is coming in March 2021 this year, and Java 17 is came in September 2021, and Java 18 is released will be released in March 2022. Now we will go to the some updates or some features of each by one. In Java 1.1, which is released in 1997, inner class, JDBC, and RMI is updated. RMI means remote method invocation, and JDBC means Java database. Database means which connects the program to the server. And in Java 1.2, swing classes and connection API is introduced. In Java 1.3, regular expressions and asset keywords are introduced. In Java 1.5, Java 1.5 or Java 5 and Java 8 are major changes in Java versions, because only these two versions, Java 5th and Java 8, these are major changes which complete the Java fully. In Java 1.3, the regular expression and asset keyword are introduced, and in Java 1.5 or in Java 5, generics are introduced, autoboxing and unboxing are introduced, as well as for each loop and static imports are introduced. Now, what is autoboxing? Autoboxing is a process of binding primitive data types in a wrapper class object. It's called autoboxing or boxing, and taking these primitive data types out of the wrapping class object is called unboxing. In Java 6 JDBC update, in Java 1.7 string in switch statement and automatic resource management is introduced. Now the major changes will be there in Java 1.8 or Java 8. The main intention of this Java 8 version is to simplify the programming language. The language should be simplified by the programmer. There will be writing less code to programmer, or there will be simplification in programming. And the second intention is to enable functional programming in Java. It does mean Java is functional programming language. It doesn't mean Java is a functional programming language. Still, Java is object-oriented programming language. But to utilize functional programming benefits in Java, the simplify the enable functional programming in Java. For example, lambda expression is concept introduced for functional programming benefits in Java. And the third one is to enable parallel programming and processing in Java. And in 8 version also, in interface, the definition or the method give the body gives to the method. In interface all the methods are abstract, but in Java 1.8 or in Java 8 the definition of method is given, and the method should be used default keyword and static keyword. Static and default method in interface is introduced in Java 1.8. In Java 9 modularization is updated, and also private method in interface is also introduced. In Java 10 local variables type interface is inference is introduced. In Java 14 switch expression is introduced. In Java 15 text blocks are introduced, and in Java 16 record classes are introduced. For example, all the versions are for API improvement and the performance of Java improvement and the garbage collection improvement. The basic motto of all these versions is API improvements, performance and garbage collection improvement. So this is the all about the Java versions and its features. Thank you.